How to close Venmo account in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to close a Venmo account. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to close a Venmo account. Okay, so just follow what I'm gonna show you in this video and you're gonna be able to do it or to close a Venmo account. Okay, so don't worry, as I told you, just follow what I'm going to show you and you're going to be able to close your Venmo account. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to your phone. Okay, so after going to your phone, you need to go directly to your Venmo app. Okay, so just go to your Venmo app and open it. Okay, after opening your Venmo app, you're gonna find this page. So what you need to do next is to go to your profile. Okay, and you're gonna find settings. You just need to click on your settings. All right, after clicking on your settings, you're gonna find a lot of options, but what matters to us is account. Okay, so just find the option of account and click on it. All right, after clicking on account, you're gonna find a close Venmo account, which is the last option. You just need to click on it. And here you have the option of continue. You just need to click on continue so you can confirm that you really want to close your Venmo account. And after clicking on continue, congrats, you just did it and you just closed your Venmo account. But just make sure that you really want to close it before doing it. Okay, so if you're sure about it and you're sure that you want to close your Venmo account, you just need to click on continue, and like this, you just did it. You just closed your Venmo account. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.